Welcome to this walkthrough of deploying a custom skill to virtual agent. Now, disclaimer, you do need to be using NowSys in virtual agent to have access to this functionality. So first, make sure that you have that installed and configured on your instance. So to deploy a custom skill to virtual agent, you need to go into your skill, make sure that your prompt has been finalized, and then go into skill settings, deployment settings, and select a particular workflow for your skill to be published in. If we scroll down, you'll then see the option to activate the skill within the virtual assistants. If you click on the experience, you should have the option to display in your virtual agent version. We then hit save. And publish. Select which prompt you want to use within virtual agent and click publish. You then will now need to navigate to NowSys admin, find the workflow that you deployed the skill to, click on available, and find your skill. Click on activate it, click on the arrow to open up the select conversational experiences with the skill. In our scenario, we're going to select virtual agents. And then down here, you can select if you have a particular virtual agent you want to deploy the skill into, you can select it from here. You can also select particular roles you want to have access to the skill. Now in our scenario, we want it to be open for most users, so we're going to select ITIL. So save and continue. And then activate. Now your skill's active in virtual agent, so let's take a look. We're now on Employee Center, so let's trigger our custom skill. We're going to ask it to provide travel guidance. The input string doesn't have to match completely to the skill name. NowSys in virtual agent is smart enough to map it to a particular catalog item, knowledge article, or the skill itself if you type in a full sentence. But in this scenario, we've got two very similar custom skills published, so we're going to select which one we want to use today. Now the custom skill requires a destination. We're going to say Kenya. We then get a result back from the LLM with the output of our custom skill, which is generating travel guidance for a user traveling to a particular destination. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.